Okay, today we are making fried shredded wheat for breakfast. So basically we're just using vanilla almond milk, some cinnamon, and some brown sugar. I'm going to mix some of the cinnamon and brown sugar into the almond milk in this little glass bowl or container. And we'll soak the shredded wheat biscuits in this mixture and put it in a frying pan. I'm going to use some vegan butter in the frying pan. Here's what the shredded wheat biscuits look like. Frying pan is warming up. About a medium heat. Soak it for about 20 to 30 seconds on each side. You don't want it too soggy. You can sprinkle a little bit more brown sugar and cinnamon on top of the biscuits while they're cooking in the frying pan. Flip them over a few times so they don't stick to the pan or burn. They don't take too long. You want them kind of lightly golden brown is what you're looking for, kind of crispy on the outside. And you can drizzle some vegan honey or syrup over these once you put them on a plate. It's up to you. Quick, easy, simple recipe. Nothing fancy here. Okay, you can see they've pretty much browned up and started to crisp up on the outside. So it'll be a little bit soft on the inside. It's kind of similar to like a French toast almost. And there you go. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.